Hello and welcome to Better Addiction Care. Today we're going to be discussing the question that's on the minds of many cannabis users. Do edibles show up in drug tests? Edibles are a popular way to consume cannabis. They come in many different forms, including cookies, brownies, gummies, and chocolates. The widespread use and accessibility of edibles has led many to worry about whether or not they will pass a drug test if they were presented one after having consumed edibles. However, the answer isn't simple. When you consume cannabis in the form of an edible, the THC is metabolized by your liver and converted into 11-hydroxy-THC, which is a more potent compound than THC itself. The metabolites of 11-hydroxy-THC can be detected in drug tests just like the metabolites of THC. However, the detection window for edibles can be longer than other forms of cannabis products. This is because the metabolites of 11-hydroxy-THC stay in your system for longer periods, making them detectable in drug tests for up to several weeks after consumption. The length of time that edibles stay in your system also depends on factors like your metabolism, the potency of the edibles, and the frequency of consumption. In general, occasional users of edibles can expect metabolites to be detectable in their system for up to 3 days. However, for frequent users, the detection window can extend up to several weeks. It's also important to note that the type of drug test used can affect the detection window for edibles. Urine tests are the most common type of drug test used in workplaces and other institutions. However, blood tests and hair tests can provide a more accurate and longer detection window for edibles. If you're facing a drug test and you're concerned about edibles showing up, the best thing to do is to avoid consuming them before the test. If you're a frequent user of edibles, it's a good idea to stop consuming them at least several weeks before the test if you hope to pass. However, there is no substitute for sobriety if these tests have become a recurring hindrance for the opportunities presented to you. We hope this information has been helpful to you. If you or a loved one is struggling with addiction, please reach out to Better Addiction Care for support and resources. Be sure to call us at 800-429-7690 if you have any further questions regarding our rehabilitation directory and other resources.